Hey guys, Marissa at kitchentablestamper.com, and I am so excited to share with you what's cooking in the Kitchen Table Stamper online classroom for August. Today, the Kitchen Table Stamper online classroom featuring Animal Expedition products opens for registration. There are two ways that you can take this class. You can take it online only, or with the kit of products and the card kits delivered right to your door, and the online classroom. All right, so let me show you what we're going to make in the Kitchen Table Stamper online classroom for August in the Animal Expedition product class. We're going to do a simple Stamp-A-Stack featuring the Kitchen Table Stamper Wonder Recipe number 4. Wonder Recipe number 4 is a cutting diagram for a 6x6 designer series paper that'll yield 3 unique cards. We're going to apply it to 2 pieces of designer series paper and stamp a stack of 6 cards. In the class, you'll receive, if you choose to order the kit by the 31st of July, an entire package of the Animal Expedition designer series paper. This package will be cut down to 6x6 for easier mailing and for use with the Kitchen Table Stamper Wonder Recipes. So you'll get an entire package of the Animal Expedition Designer Series paper, and you'll get an entire package of the frame elements. You'll also get kits for making 6 cards, 2 each of similar designs. And you'll get the Kitchen Table Stamper Wonder Recipe number 4 sheet, access to the online classroom where we'll walk through each of the projects in video and with a written step-by-step tutorial. These kits will yield 2 each of these cards. Now I've used the Rooted in Nature stamp set framelits, but you can absolutely switch out your stamp set. And I've used the designer series paper with the basic gray pattern and the lemon lime twist, but you can switch out your designer series paper. Look at these amazing wooden frame elements in these cards. All right, here's our 3rd design, and we'll make 2 similar cards. So those are the cards that you'll be making in the Animal Expedition product class. Now, the class, including the product that you see here, card kits, all cut and ready for you with the embellishments and the designer series paper. This is $30 with $7 priority shipping, so $37 all out the door, and you'll receive the packet of supplies as well as video tutorials, written tutorials, full color photos, and supply lists. If you've got the products, if you're a demonstrator, if you have a demonstrator you love, no worries. We can set you up with the Kitchen Table Stamper online classroom. That's $15, and the cutoff for ordering the online classroom is August 8th. The online classroom includes a video for each of the designs, card designs, as well as project sheet, full color photos, and supply lists. To order your Kitchen Table Stamper online classroom with or without the kit, go to kitchentablestamper.com/online classroom, and you can request the kit or register for the online classroom there. If you've got any questions about the online classroom, email me, Marissa at kitchentablestamper.com. Thanks for watching. Can't wait to see you in the online classroom.